Leo, this is your channel messages for the 5th of May. Leo, channel message is something about an obituary, okay? Now, the only obituary that caught my eye is when I was doing research with a dirty skin Italian family. There was something about a Di Stefano funeral home, and there was an obituary in it that said it claims that them a light a candle for Vanessa and Len Carby. I'm actually going to put a picture of it right here because I always keep my motherfucking receipts. So if a bitch or a nigga trying to say that I did or say something I did not say, 2 packs of sugar, but I have my receipts. I remember stumbling upon this, okay? Something about lighting a candle for Vanessa and Len Carby. Drake who stole my motherfucking name and turned it into a Carby Moss candle. Drake. Anyways, I'm getting something about the obituary, Leo. I'm not sure if someone was including in it that you never want to be a part of the family, if somebody should have been excluded, or me getting you're going to read something in someone's obituary, or me getting you prepare one for somebody, so me getting you're making funeral arrangements, Leo. All right, who died? Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. We have the 6 of Pentacles coming out first. Okay, so me getting you do not have a lot of money to bury this person. No, this could be something about a homeless person, somebody who needed them in the system. We're getting something about, I'm not sure if this is government. When a homeless person dies, who buried the body if them don't have family? We're getting something like that. We're getting like wood coffin. We're getting coffins that look like Tupperware for people who cannot afford actual funerals. All right, we have the King of Swords. We're getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is paying funeral arrangements. The 8 of Cups. We have the Emperor. Ooh. And we also have the Page of Pentacles. Last night, I couldn't see the person properly, but I was dreaming about 2 people. I was dreaming about an Emperor and a King. I don't know if it's father and son, grandfather and son, or boss and employee. I'm getting something about 2 men. 2 men. It could be one is a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. The other one is an Emperor. I'm getting on to work in the business of burying people, taking out life insurance. I don't know if somebody own a farm or somebody own this big piece of land. There's something about asking people to come work for this company. Like a company, them ask people to come work. I'm not sure if them sponsor these people. But I feel like every employee who joins the company will not plan them debt. I'm getting some about life insurance. The 6 of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Or I'm getting you tell somebody, say, hey, you're struggling, you don't have money, you don't have any way out. I know a way to make money. You have to stage your debt. You have to cash in your chip. Somebody saying you're tired of it. I don't know what somebody's saying to you, but them saying something like, I know a way how to make money, I know a way to get everything, but you have to live on. So this could be something about somebody that already orchestrated your debts. That's why them don't want you online. Them don't want you have no phone. Them don't want you on social media. Them don't want you have no friends. You're supposed to be dead. Or at least plain dead. But getting somebody said them know a way how to... You want money, but can't make, but you have to play along. It's like somebody it's like somebody ask you to take off your clothes, lay upon the ground naked, and take a picture. So them can go get the world to say, yes, Vanessa dead. She dead. So the whole world can see I'm dead. But I don't know what I'm doing with the insurance company. Because I'm getting, after you hide out, you hide in somebody's basement for a while, so nobody not see you, and then them cash out. Now, I don't know if they were supposed to cash out and you're going to leave the country. I don't know what's supposed to happen, but I'm getting somebody, father and son, is in that business. The King of Swords clarified, you're supposed to leave after you get the money. Now, I don't know if a father and son fucked you, where them stage your debt. make every stage funeral, but you never left the country. So now everybody I walk around and say, no, that's the girl we saw up on the news. Now that's the missing girl. Isn't that the girl in the newspaper? Isn't that the girl who is dead? Yeah, you were supposed to go back to one. You either go back to your country or go. You're getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 8 of Cups is clarified by the 88. Yes, somebody's a part of like a white supremacy group where them target certain people. 88, 88, HH. You were supposed to leave. Maybe the person who cash in your chips gone already. They run go Mexico. They ran to fucking Dominican Republic and left in the fucking country. So now everybody looking on you. Aren't you supposed to be dead? I know you don't have no way out. We're getting somebody tell you say, yeah, we'll stage a car crash. We're getting something very cryptic. 88 is a cult, is a group. What do this? We're getting them in cahoots with the bank, them in cahoots with insurance company, every single thing. Leo, yeah, Leo the eye, Leo the sun. That's why you were locked in a fucking basement for years. Somebody staged your death and take the money and run and left you. We have the Emperor here, 88. The Emperor is clarified by the Tarot. And the Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Emperor. Leo. The Page of Pentacles was supposed to be clarified by the Emperor and the Emperor clarified by the Tarot. So I don't know who is this young lad, this YG where you hire. I don't know if it's a YG we're taking over. Because we have the Emperor twice. One reading the Tarot, one making a Tarot prediction, and the other. So I'm getting, I don't know who this guy is, but I'm getting him on him way if he either take the Emperor seat or I'm getting something about he's next in line. Be careful, because maybe the Emperor said that you're so good and want to take you out. I'm also getting, yeah, this young person, yeah, look upon, he might not have a lot now. He might young. It might seem like him young, him life not together yet. But I'm getting him gonna be an emperor when him grow older. One more. Him a police. So I'm getting this young guy who have way more fucking experience than you fucking think. I gotta rat the whole owner out to the police. Maybe he's an undercover police. Because the Emperor is a terror. The prediction, but then clarifying the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor's worker or his son is the Emperor. But getting you have dirt on the Emperor. A lot of it. We're getting police, yeah, one police officer, yeah, work for police, or I'm getting you give a tip off the police about this a bear man. I don't know if you're gonna target women, see, man, or again something about 88, a white supremacy group. It could be a group of police officers who target people, because we have one black, one white. But me getting that young person here is about to, me getting your whole fucking 20, 30 years of whatever the fuck this is, I could get brought down by a 22-year-old or a 25-year-old. Me getting a one page that could bring you down. We have illness. And me getting the people that want to do this to, who claims that them ill first, so them have no way out. We have Taurus. Leo, I don't know if I do this to one Taurus. I'm getting a Taurus going to bring all of y'all down. We have religious agenda. We have Libra. Yes, somebody's a Libra. What if it's the rapist Italian man? Jesus Christ, one more. We have mental health. In order for somebody to get out of something, you gonna see them are gonna abandon their boss or them emperor and them are gonna run go claim insanity to get out. I don't know what them do. Me getting the business of on the stage people death. Something about obituary. I don't know who a Vanessa Caribbean Leng. I don't know who those people are. So if anybody know who was a Vanessa Caribbean Leng Carby was dead, please tell me. Because she have my name. And apparently this person dead 2 years before I come into the country. So, I'm glad I keep my receipts. Going to leave it here, Leo. Until next time, bye.